my channel The Taste Hacker. I am Prerna. My channel is all about recipes of desserts, cakes, cupcakes, parfaits and many more. So if you guys like my video, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of my further videos. Let's talk about what we are going to make today, that is Nutella stuffed pancakes. Pancakes are so easy to make and we can have it anytime. But when it is stuffed with Nutella, the dish is like completely elevated to a next level. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. Like my video, and honestly the pancakes tasted so delicious. I just finished the entire batch. So don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.